When I first went to uni, I was really anxious if I will succeed, if I will be good enough. I didn't know how to approach people at first, how to ask questions, how to make an appointment politely with one of my peers or professors or lecturers. So these are just some skills that you need to master uh, when you first go to uni, because these could make your life easier. Um, One of my tips is that I think everyone needs to find some kind of balance at uni. I mean, in their life. It never should be 24/7 studying, but also relaxing, like sports, clubs, societies, parties, or just find a hobby. Because it's easy to go crazy without some time off, right? Also, if you can look for a part time job so that you can save some money that you can spend on yourself or whatever you want to spend it on. Um, my next tip is to find your people, because I think everybody can find their people at uni. There are so many people. I mean, just think about it. You're in the same class with another 100 students with the same interests. In this case, chemistry and sciences. So I think if you have the same way of thinking with someone, um, you can find friends very easily. Because if you have friends, then it means that you can study in groups. You can help each other out if you have a question because you don't understand something. Then you can just ask, and if they have questions, they just ask you. So it can make life way more easier at uni. So the next tip is personally, I joined a couple of societies, which helped me a lot. I had the chance to network with people. Some of these societies were like chemistry and biology related societies, but I also joined, for example, the baseball club, something that can help me to unwind a bit. So this is really important to find something other than studying. Um, I personally go to library as much as I can, because the resources, first of all, but also because if you go to the library and you just get like annoyed with the material or tired or something, there are just other people around you, and actually, if you look around, you see everybody studying, then it can force you a bit to get back in there and go on with your studies. Um, Also, I highly advise to take notes during the class and make flashcards, which is pretty useful with subjects like chemistry. Because most people think that it's enough to have the slides, it's enough to read the book, but no, it's not. Because if you take notes, then actually you can remember these things um, better. It can make your life much easier. And also, if you speak out loud when you're studying, actually, it helped me a lot. Um, I always, of course, not in the library, but when I'm home alone, I just speak out loud, and I just whenever I read my book, I just speak out loud, and it's just crazy how helpful it can be. Also, tutoring, because I think that it's not just money making, but of course it's really good because people can pay crazy amount of money for you if you tutor them. But also, if you if you're able to put your own knowledge to somebody else's head, then it means that you understand the material, that you can it verifies you that you actually know what you're talking about and you understood the material.